What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be starting a new project with this. This was sent to me by my buddy Zach, who is over at Double K Products. Make sure you guys swing by and check out his Instagram. It will be linked down in the description below. And this video is sponsored by Walrus Oil. If you guys haven't checked out Walrus Oil, make sure you head down to the description, click on the website, and check out all of the great stuff that they have to offer. So I totally forgot on what this piece of wood actually is. Zach told me when he sent it, but it's been a couple of months since he sent it and I totally forgot what it is. But we're going to send this thing through the drum sander and get it flattened. It's already pretty flat, but it needs just a little bit of loving, and that'll get us prepped and ready for wood turning. The idea that I have for this piece is some sort of incense holder block thing. I've never made one before, but it seems like a really fun project, so let's get into it. I just want to jump on the mic real quick, guys, and I just want to say yes, this is hot glue that I am using to attach my waste block to my bowl blank, and yes, it is perfectly safe. I have been attaching my bowl blanks to waste blocks like this for about 2 years, so all it takes is a little bit of trial and error. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know down in the comments, or if you want, let me know and maybe I will make an in-depth video about hot glue and wood turning. I like your cut, G. guys gotta check this out. Just grab this real quick. You guys gotta see this. So we got all the finishing done. Did a few finishing passes is what I just did. And everything came out looking really good. Now it just needs a little bit of sanding. And I think we are off to the races. Yeah! Yes! Yeah! Alright, you guys gotta see this. Sanded up to 320. This thing is looking, it's hard to tell at this angle. It's looking so good, you guys. Yeah. Okay. Let's get it off the lathe and let's get to finishing. Not bad. And now, we're ready to finish. So let's get it. So I'm going to be using Walrus Oil's Pure Tung Oil to finish this project. I chose to go with this product mostly because I've never used it before and I love using all of Walrus Oil's things, testing them out so that way I can let you guys know what works best for what applications. The cool thing about the tung oil is that it locks in natural wood colors while protecting wood surfaces from UV damage, water, and of course everyday wear and tear. Another great thing about this product is that there is no need to worry about any dangerous fumes when applying the finish. There are no dyes or any sort of added dryers. It's 100% natural, VOC free, and completely plant-based. So I definitely applied a little too much tung oil to this project. I should have applied a little bit less. And the cool thing about tung oil is that it is a building finish, so you can add more layers to it after it's cured. Walrus oil is also climate neutral. They've been certified from 2021. They are also an official partner of the National Forest Foundation, who administrates all tree planting programs. And by working with the National Forest Foundation, Walrus Oil is able to take a percentage of what you spend at their store and put it back into planting more trees. And just like that, this thing is done. I had so much fun working with this piece of wood. I don't normally work with big chunks of wood like this, but I'm so grateful that my friend sent this to me and challenged me to make something out of it. I think it came out looking super good, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you think? Give it all to me. The good, the bad, the ugly. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like the video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I had a blast. I hope you did as well. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!